Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Sherry 4x4. I've got a really special Jeep Wrangler behind me today. This is custom 100%. So first off, it's in a limited edition Tuscadero exterior color, which is a limited edition color provided by Jeep. And it's been upfitted with the SCA Performance Black Widow package on it. Now this is, if you watch my videos in the past, this isn't your standard Black Widow package. This has something I've never seen before on a Wrangler. It's got 22-inch wheels with 37-inch tires. That's amazing. I turned it hard both ways, forward, backward. I didn't feel any rub. Rides unbelievably. On top of that, it's got some other cool stuff that I'll be happy to show you. Let's jump in. So first off, we've got our Black Widow spider up front and center of the windshield here. Also this window here, if you ever follow any of my videos, it's got the Corning Gorilla Glass. It's a Mopar Jeep option, something you definitely want. It's gonna keep that glass from getting all rock chipped and cracked up. We've got the stamped hood here, simulated vented. The front grill up here is fully painted in the Tuscadero, and then it does have the stubby bumper up here. It's got a couple cool things going on in it. As always here at Sherry 4x4, we provide factory direct pricing, so if you want a custom one-off build like this, or you want to buy one of ours in stock, we'll save you thousands from other dealers. And great thing about us, we've got selection, so if you don't want to wait on an order, chances are we probably already have what you want. We've got over 30 Jeeps in stock, where most dealers stock like 3. So, all right, so it's got the stubby bumper. It's a steel bumper, powder coated, 20-inch LED light bar in it, and then all of SCA Performance stubby bumpers are prepped for the Warn hitch. This one actually has it. It's a 10,000 pound Warn hitch with the synthetic rope. It's got the painted to match tow hooks here, and then we got our skid plate with the SCA spider down there. Now if you get underneath the undercarriage here, notice the accent painted coil spring linkages here. The Wranglers have got 2 steering stabilizers on them. That allows them to drive unbelievably. And then under here, I have not seen this on a Wrangler yet. It's got the rock lights on it. There's one of these in each wheel well. You can download an app from your phone where you can change the colors. You can make them strobe. You can do all kind of cool stuff. And it really lights up this whole underside of the car at night. Awesome. All right, so look at this. 22-inch fuel wheels wrapped in Razor all-terrain Maxxis tires. This tire size, again, 37 inches. Unbelievable. We got our Black Widow spider here. This is a Sahara Jeep Wrangler. So with the Sahara, you'll get the painted fender flares, and you'll get the painted 3-piece hardtop, all in that Tuscadero. Fox Shocks is the parent company of SCA, so the lift kit, the shock system, a lot of the components on this vehicle are one-off that are created by Fox for SCA, so for SCA only as well. So you get products that you're not going to find anywhere else that are going to perform and make this Jeep ride unbelievably. And then look here, we've got the same size wheel, or the same wheel I should say, not just size, and tire mounted to the rear door. That's a pretty big feat. They have to upgrade the whole door hinge and wheel mount to a Smittybilt. They have to relocate the third brake light and the backup camera, but they've done it all in a professional way. Looks really sweet. Got the wiper back here, rear window is defrosting, and then I love how they paint all the roll bar and everything here from Jeep. We've got power ports back here, Alpine subwoofer here, and then inside this plastic bag is a vinyl bag where you can store the 2 removable pieces of the hard top. There's one above the driver and one above the passenger side. SCA upgrades to a power step here with lighting. And it's got ambient light down there to help you out. It's amp research. And then they also upgrade the seating here to a leather seat. It's a premium leather seat. Got the Black Widow in the headrest, and we've got the sound bar above our heads. I forgot to show you the back. We got to show you this. Doesn't that look cool? All right, so once we get in here, we notice here we've got the dash all in the Tuscadero Pearl, and down here through the center console. That's not factory. That's something SCA has taken all these pieces apart and painted them with the same automotive paint that the rest of the vehicle is painted with. Nice customization. And then let me open up the door. See the red accent lighting on my feet? Another little touch they make. You've got 4 auxiliary inputs here. These are for exterior lighting, such as those rock lights and 20-inch LED light bar, and you got a couple spares if you want to add different things. Of course, you got power windows. You got media center where you can plug in your phone. A lot of people say, well, Jeeps are kind of bare bones. Well, these new Jeeps, if you haven't been in one in the last few years, you got to get in one. They've got all the modern features, touchscreen radio, backup camera built in. Look at that, you can kind of see the wheel outline. I love that. We've got navigation on here, Sirius XM, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Oh, speaking of the steering wheel, so it's leather wrapped and it's got a nice cush to it too. So your hands, it's not like grabbing a plastic steering wheel or anything. It's a nice cushioned leather steering wheel. 30 miles on it, full warranty on this, both from the Jeep side and from the SCA side. Automatic windows, just a cool product. So if you're looking for one of these, give us a call. Make sure this is still available. This, again, is a limited edition color with some awesome options on it from the SCA Performance Group. So, again, financing is available. If you're interested in financing, we can do a lot of the work for you. We can see if we can get you approved. If you're trying that route, or maybe you want to see what the best interest rate and term is for your situation, we work with over 20 banks that we've had relationships with for 60 years. So if you're looking for the best rate and term, just fill out the information down in the finance app below and we'll get to work on your behalf. There's no cost to that or obligation to that either. It's totally free. So, all right, thanks again for watching on this Tuscadero Jeep. Again, definitely one off. If you're wanting one of these in your driveway, drive around, I think you'll have a lot of fun in it. Take care.